Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this MORryde Cushioned fifth wheel pin box for the Dexter 221-0023-00 pin box, and also the Leland 7920 and 7921 pin boxes. Now this is built for trailers that have a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,000 to 18,000 pounds. And this is a cushioned pin box which will replace your current one for a lot smoother towing experience. This will let you enjoy a nice chuck-free, jerk-free ride thanks to the rubber shear spring that's on the inside. And that rubber shear spring will reduce any back and forth chucking. It absorbs the jarring movement at the connection point, and it will dampen up to 1.5 inches of side-to-side movement and 3 inches of front-to-back movement. I do want to zoom in just to show you the area where that rubber spring is. We can't really see it because it's basically inside here above the Kingpin, but that rubber shear spring will help dampen the transmission of forces from the fifth wheel to your vehicle. Makes your starts and stops jerk free, and what's nice is that it requires less maintenance than the air-filled spring model pin boxes. This will also give you the same Kingpin location as the original manufacturer to help reduce stress on the trailer frame. Now to install this, it is a fast, very easy bolt-on installation. All you want to do is make sure when you remove your factory pin box, make note of the bolt hole locations, because you want to mount this pin box in the same hole settings using the existing factory hardware. This pin box exceeds CSA standards. It is made in the USA. A few specs on this again. The application fits fifth wheel trailers with a 14,000 to 18,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Total weight capacity for this pin box is 19,000 pounds, but you do want to remember that the pin box capacity will not change the overall gross vehicle weight rating of your trailer. And the last thing I want to do is give you a couple, about 3 different measurements on this. The overall width on this, back here where you mount it, from outside to outside, about 14 inches. And then the last 2 measurements are going to be from the center of the Kingpin up here to the center of the front row of mounting holes, from the center of the Kingpin to the back row of mounting holes. And I made a mark up here to make it easier to measure for you. If we put our ruler on there, center to the center of the front row is right at 18 7/16 inches. To the back row is 25 7/16 inches. But that should do it for the review on this MORryde Cushioned fifth wheel pin box for the Dexter 221-0023-00 pin box and the Leland 7920-7921 pin boxes.